Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and today we're going to be talking about and going over my December 2020 weather forecast. Before we get into this, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 75% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content and hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss a single upload. Also, share this with friends and family and like the video to get this out to as many people as possible. Let's get right into this. This is my December 2020 temperature outlook, and I'll go through all the colors on the map. First, starting off in the northwest, in that lightest aqua shade there is slightly below average temperatures, where you could see 1 to 3 degrees below average in terms of temperature this December. And the second aqua color here in Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee, it's also slightly below average temperatures are favored, where you could see 1 to 3 degrees below average in terms of temperature. The yellow you see here going from central California into Minnesota, and as far south as the panhandle of Florida, is slightly above average temperatures, where you could see 1 to 3 degrees above average this December. And the orange going from southern California to Texas through northern Illinois and all of New England is moderately above average temperatures, where you could see a couple to a few degrees above average in terms of temperature this December. And the red you see in southern Florida and Texas and New Mexico and portions of Colorado is significantly above average temperatures, where you could see quite a few degrees above average, potentially up to 10 degrees above average in terms of temperature this December. Moving on to precipitation. This is my December 2020 precipitation forecast, and you can see in the northwest with Washington, Oregon, Idaho, parts of Montana is slightly above average precipitation, where you could see a couple half inches above average in terms of precipitation. And in the eastern Great Lakes into the northeast is also slightly above average precipitation, where you could see a couple half inches above average in terms of precipitation. And going in that lightest brown, going from central California all the way into Georgia, Florida, covering pretty much the entire bottom third of the United States, bottom half even, is slightly below average precipitation, where you could see a couple half inches below average. And the darkest brown here, covering up most of the area, is moderately below average precipitation, where you could see a couple whole inches below average precipitation. So it will be very dry in the darkest brown region this December. Moving on to my overall December forecast. This is my overall December forecast, and you can see in the green here in the northwest it will be cooler and more stormy this December. There is some potential for a couple snow chances over here, but the snow really won't come along till more of January and February. And the orange across all of the southwest area here, it will be warm and dry this December. The yellow in Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, northern Utah will be a flip-flop pattern, where it could be below average at times and above average at times. And in the gray region here in Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska area, snow will be completely possible in that area, and you could see a couple snow chances this December. And in the darkest brown here in Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, it will be very dry this December, much drier than normal. And in the almost white color here, pearl white, it will be pretty snowy in the Dakotas, Nebraska, the western half of Minnesota, and northeastern Montana. You'll get plenty of snow chances this December. And in the light green here in Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Wisconsin, Iowa, there will be rain and snow chances. So not only will you be able to see plenty of snow chances, but you could also see a couple rain chances as well this December, so it won't all be snow. And the cyan color here in Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, it will be cooler this December. And in the pink here in the Carolinas, ice will be possible this December. You will have a couple ice chances depending on how things go. And this blue here, going from the mid-Atlantic into the northeast, it will be warmer than usual, and it will also be snowy with some potential for a couple nor'easters to push through, bringing a good amount of snow. And the purple going from the upper peninsula of Michigan into all of Michigan and along the Great Lakes region, there will be plenty of lake effect snow, totaling above average precipitation. That's my December 2020 weather forecast. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.